Welcome to watching the 7 budgeting rules used by millionaires. Most people think millionaires just make more money, but the truth, they budget differently. They have rules, habits that keep their money growing while others go broke. Here are 7 budgeting rules millionaires follow religiously and how you can apply them too. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. Millionaires pay themselves first, before bills, before shopping, before anything. A portion of every dollar they earn is saved or invested immediately. It's not about how much you make, it's about what you keep. Rule 2. Track every dollar. They track where every dollar goes. Apps, spreadsheets, or even notebooks. What matters is clarity. You can't control what you don't track. Rule 3. Budget for freedom, not just survival. While most people budget just to get by, millionaires budget to create freedom. They include things like investments, self-education, and business growth as essential expenses. Rule 4. Automate smart spending. They automate payments, savings, investments, credit cards. Why? It removes emotion from money decisions. No forgetting, no overspending, just consistency. Rule 5. Live below their means. Millionaires don't flash wealth, they protect it. They buy what they need, not to impress. Many still drive used cars, live in modest homes, and wear simple clothes. Rule 6. Budget with a long-term goal. Every budget is tied to a long-term vision: early retirement, financial freedom, generational wealth. That's why they're okay skipping short-term pleasures. Rule 7. Revisit and adjust monthly. Life changes, so does the budget. Millionaires review their budget every month to spot leaks, adjust goals, and stay ahead. Call to action. Millionaires don't follow complicated tricks. They follow simple rules consistently. Start with one, then build. And remember, wealth isn't earned by luck. It's built by habits. Subscribe for more financial wisdom.